Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a Starbucks coffee shop, especially about using the mobile order app. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a Starbucks staff member. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What size is Grande at Starbucks? Small, medium, or large? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hi, Erin. Sorry, I think I'm a little late.
Hi, Ken. No, you're right on time. I just got here.
Oh, good. I was a little worried.
Don't worry, we have plenty of time.
Wow, look at the line inside the store. It's so long.
I know, it happens every morning at this time.
Every morning? Really?
Yes, before work and before class, it gets really busy.
The line goes all the way to the door. I can't believe it.
A lot of people want their coffee before they start the day.
We're going to be late for class for sure.
No, we're not. I already ordered.
Already? But you're outside. You haven't even gone in yet.
That's the point. I used the app on my phone.
The app? What app?
The Starbucks app. You can order from anywhere.
From anywhere? You mean from outside the store?
Yes, or from home, or from the bus on the way here.
That's amazing. So you don't need to wait in line at all?
Right, we just walk in and pick up the drink.
I had no idea. I always wait in the line like everyone else.
A lot of people still do, but the app is much faster.
How long does it usually take?
About 5 minutes, sometimes faster than that.
That sounds really useful. Can I try it too?
Of course, let me show you how it works.
Yes, please. I really want to learn this.
Let's sit on this bench over here. It will be quick.
Perfect. Let's do it now.
Take out your phone. The app is free to download.
I have it ready. What do I do first?
First, we open the app, then I'll show you step by step. Okay, the app is open. First, we choose the store.
How do I do that?
We can use the map. The closest store is this one, right here.
Oh, I see. So I just tap the store on the map?
Yes, exactly. Now choose a drink from the menu.
There are so many drinks. What do you usually get?
I like the vanilla latte. It's sweet, but not too sweet.
A vanilla latte. That sounds good. I'll try the same thing.
Good choice. Now choose the size, tall, grande, or venti.
Tall, grande, or venti. Which one is which?
Tall is the small one, grande is the medium, venti is the large.
Grande sounds good for me. I want something medium.
Great! Now we can customize the drink. Tap Customize.
Customize? What can I change?
Many things. You can change the milk. You can add extra shots.
What kind of milk options are there?
There's regular milk, oat milk, almond milk, and soy milk.
Oat milk sounds nice. I'll try that.
Good. Tap Oat Milk. Now, do you want an extra shot of espresso?
Extra shot. Will it be strong?
A little stronger, yes. It helps in the morning.
Okay, let's add an extra shot. I need the energy.
Good idea. Now you write your name for the cup.
My name?
Yes, they write it on the cup to find your drink.
Will they say my name right? Sometimes people say it wrong.
They write what you type, so write it the way you want.
Okay, I typed Ken. That's easy.
Perfect. Now we pay. The app saves your card.
I tapped pay. It says we are making your order now.
Great. Now let's go inside and pick up our drinks.
Wow, we're really walking past everyone.
Yes, look, the line still goes to the door.
People are looking at us. Do they think we're cutting in line?
Maybe a little, but we already paid, so we're fine.
That's a relief. I didn't want to make anyone angry.
Don't worry, many people do this every day. It's normal now.
It still feels strange to walk past the line.
I know, the first time I felt the same way.
How does the staff know we already paid?
They see the order on their screen, then they make it.
So they make the mobile orders and the line orders together.
Yes, but mobile orders often come first because we ordered first.
That's smart. We saved ourselves a lot of time.
Right. In a busy morning, this can save 15 or 20 minutes.
15 minutes? That's a lot of time before class.
It is. Some days, the line outside takes that long.
I'll never wait in that line again.
That's great. Once you try the app, you can't go back.
Do other people order from far away too?
Yes, some people order from work and walk over to pick it up.
That's really smart.
It saves time for busy people in the morning.
So where do we go now?
Over there. See that counter? It says mobile orders.
Oh, I see the sign. There are some drinks on the shelf already.
Yes, they put the finished drinks there with name labels.
With names. I want to see if mine is there too.
Let's check. Mine should be ready by now.
How will we know which one is yours?
My name is on the cup. Just look for it.
Got it. Let's go look.
Walk this way. The shelf is right past the milk station.
Okay, you go first.
Here we are. This is the pickup shelf.
Wow, there are so many cups here.
Yes, people come and go quickly. Let me look for mine.
Are the cups in any order?
Not really. They put them out when they're ready.
I see different names on the cups. Sarah, Mike, Carlos.
Right. Everyone writes their name on the order.
Some names are very long. Look at that one.
That one says Christopher, a long name.
The barista writes it all by hand?
Yes, they write it quickly with a marker.
Where is yours?
Let me check. There it is. Aaron, that's me.
Yes, it worked. Your drink is really here.
I told you, the app really works.
That's so cool. So all this time, you were right.
Of course. Now we just need to find yours.
I don't see Ken on the shelf.
It's not there yet. They are probably still making yours.
How will I know when it's ready?
They call your name when they put it on the counter.
They call my name out loud? In front of everyone?
Yes. Don't be shy. It happens to everyone.
Okay, I'll listen carefully.
Sometimes the names sound a little different when they say them.
Different how?
People have many ways of saying names. Some are easy, some are not.
I hope they get Ken right. It's a short name.
I think you'll be fine. Ken is easy to say.
My friend has a long Japanese name. They had trouble with it once.
Long names can be difficult, but it's also kind of fun.
Yeah, it makes a good story later.
People share their funny name labels online all the time.
I hope so. I'll listen for it.
While we wait, let's stand near the counter.
Good idea. I don't want to miss my name.
Look, the barista is making a new drink right now.
Maybe that one is mine.
We'll find out in a minute.
Ken, I have a grande vanilla latte with oat milk.
Yes, that's me. Oh, you said my name right.
Of course, Ken is easy to say.
Thank you. I was a little worried before.
Great. And one extra shot of espresso, right?
Yes, one extra shot. That's correct.
Here you go. Be careful, it's a little hot.
Thank you so much. It looks great.
You're welcome. Is this your first time using the app?
Yes, my very first time. It was so easy.
I'm glad to hear that. A lot of people love the app.
I can see why. We didn't have to wait in line at all.
That's the best thing, especially when it's busy in the morning.
How busy does it get in the morning?
Very busy. Sometimes the line goes outside the store.
I saw that today. The line was long when we arrived.
Yes, around 8 a.m. is the busiest time.
That's when I usually come. I had no idea about the app.
Now you know. You can order before you leave home.
That's a good idea. I can order from my bus.
Many people do that. The drink is ready when you arrive.
Wow, that's perfect.
You can also save your favorite drink in the app.
Oh, really? How does that work?
Just tap the heart icon after you order.
That's helpful. Then I don't need to choose every time.
Right. Many people who come every day order the same drink.
I see. That's so easy.
Also, you collect stars every time you order.
Stars? What are stars for?
You can use them for free drinks and food.
Free drinks? That's amazing.
Yes, just keep ordering and you get more and more stars.
When is the best time to come in? Less busy times.
Around 10 a.m. and after 2 p.m. are quieter.
Good to know. I'll come back then sometime.
Please do. We have nice seats open then.
I'll definitely use the app from now on.
Great. Enjoy your drink and have a nice day.
Thank you so much. You too.
Come again soon.
I will. Probably tomorrow.
So, how was your first mobile order?
It was amazing. Really, I'm so glad you showed me.
I'm happy I did. You looked so surprised at first.
I was. I couldn't believe you ordered from outside.
I remember my first time. I felt the same way.
Who taught you about the app?
A friend at work. She uses it every morning.
Now I understand why. It's so fast and easy.
And you saved time today. We're not late for class.
That's the best part. We have time to enjoy our drinks.
How is your vanilla latte?
It's really good. The oat milk is sweet.
I like oat milk too. It's smooth and tastes a little like nuts.
And the extra shot was a good idea. I feel awake now.
Good. You need energy for class.
By the way, the barista said something about stars.
Oh yes, the reward stars. Did you sign up for those?
I think so. When I made the account, it asked me.
Great. Every time you order, you get stars.
How many stars do I need for a free drink?
I think it's about 150 stars.
150? That sounds like a lot.
It takes time, but you collect more and more. You'll see.
So if I order every morning, how long does it take?
Maybe a few weeks. Then you get a free drink.
A free drink every few weeks. That's a nice extra.
It's a small thing, but it makes me happy.
Me too. I'll start using the app every day.
Good for you. Now you can use the app every day too.
Thanks. I'm a real app user now.
Let's finish our drinks and go to class.
Sounds good. This is a great morning.
How was it? Did you enjoy the story? In this video, two friends used the Starbucks mobile order app to skip the long morning line. They learned how to choose a drink, change the milk, add an extra shot, and pick it up at the counter. You also heard about reward stars and how you can save your favorite drink in the app. These are useful skills for any busy morning. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot, and you will not miss the next story. Please also leave a comment. I read every one. If you want to support the channel more, you can join as a member. Members get a special badge and help me make new videos every day. The link is in the description below. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What size is Grande at Starbucks? Small, medium, or large? The answer is medium. Grande is the medium size. Did you get it right? If you find the answer,
please write it in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, your English will grow faster.
That's all for the main story. Hi everyone, this is the host speaking. By the way, I make this video at Starbucks almost every time. I really love the atmosphere here. It is nice and stylish, and when I work in this place, I feel happy. Making videos here becomes fun. But I have a small secret. I don't like sweet drinks very much, so I always order just a simple coffee. How about you? What do you usually order at Starbucks? Do you order anything other than coffee? Maybe you have a favorite drink or some food you really like. If you have a good recommendation, please write it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Okay, see you tomorrow.